In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Shopify app. So if you are experiencing errors or your app keeps on crashing or stopping, then let me show you how you can fix these errors and get your app running smoothly. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Alright, now there are quite a number of steps that you can take to fix errors or problems related to your app not working. In the first method, we are going to access the app information page, and you can easily do this through settings. So if you go to settings, scroll down until you see this option called apps. Now for this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps or more apps depending on your phone, and then tap on it. Now this will list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. And from here, scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my app is here. If you can't find it or if the list is too long, you can as well search for your app here. From this, tap on your app to open it. And as you can see now, we have access to the app information page, and this is where we shall do our troubleshooting. However, if getting to this page is quite complex for your case, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For this, you'll need to go back and then look for your app. And this time around, instead of tapping on it, just go ahead and long press on it. And now you can see we have app info. If you tap on this, it will still take you to the same app info page. From here, we want to go ahead and clear data, and more especially cache data. So if I come here under storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data on our app. Now, one of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because of the accumulation of cache files. Now, when you talk of cache data or cache files, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use it to enhance the user experience. But the problem is, the more these files accumulate, sometimes they might cause your app to malfunction. So to restore your app, all you need to do is to go ahead and clear these cache files. And to do so, you can just come down here and then tap on clear data, and you'll see we have the option to clear cache here. If you tap on it and then OK, our cache data has been cleared. Now at this point, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening your app. At this point, the app should be now running smoothly without any other problem. But should this not work, then proceed and clear all data by tapping on clear all data and then OK. And for this, you'll have to go ahead and log in afresh because the user data has been cleared. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then proceed to the third and the last method to troubleshoot your app. For this, you'll need to access the app through Google Play Store if you are on Android, or App Store if you are on iPhone. So for my case, I'll go to Play Store, and my Play Store is here. If I tap on it, you can see my Shopify is here. So for your case, search for the Shopify app, and once you get it, look for any update. If it is available, you will see it here. Go ahead and tap on it to update your app to the latest version, and this will fix bugs or any security related issue on your app. By also updating your app to the latest version, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with Shopify app. So by using any of these three methods, you should be able to get your app running without any other problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.